They're about 3 going to 4 months. These pigs are 3 months. Right. These are some set of weaners. The smaller ones that you're seeing there, I had to wean them off completely early. The mother wasn't feeding them at all. That grey one there, that's 4 months. That black and white really, that, sorry, 4 weeks. They're 4 weeks. The other ones are 5 weeks. The bigger ones you see are 5 weeks. These are some man pigs. Yes, they are 4 months old. This is another mama. There, so the mama, there's a young baby. They are about a week old. Nice babies. And here we have another expecting mom. Here we go again. This is another expecting mom. I'm not quite sure when they're expecting, but anytime soon. These are some sort of expecting moms. Also, I'm probably look at these one probably have to end of February. And this is my troublemaker pig. Why she's so dirty? She have a tendency to, yes, always jumping out of the pen. And we're going on the other side of the pig pen. Alright, we are under construction now, trying to extend. Alright. Whoa. These are my weaned set. Alright, these are 8 weeks old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 of them. Yes. They are 8 weeks old. They're on a pig starter ration. It's emptied. You need to fill back up. These feeder I made them myself. And these are some females that are to be bred, but not in this order. They kind of get mixed up yesterday, so I have to sort them out. Okay. Alright. That's my pig pen. I will make other videos to update you and the process as they go along. Because in Jamaica you don't really see, there's not a lot of people that actually upload videos about pigs and give you the process of pigs. So I'm gonna try something that persons can wean from. I will get into how I vaccinate, how I feed, all of that in the future, and let everybody know. Alright, thanks for watching.